Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss short questions and structured questions of lesson 3. First, open page number 103. First question, who were the early nationalists? Second question, name any 4 early congressmen. Open page number 97 to mark these answers. Page number 97. Under the heading Era of the Early Nationalist, first answer, the Indian national movement from 1885 to 1905 was dominated by leaders known for their prayer and petition method and were called early nationalists. This is your answer number 1. Now answer 2, some important early nationalist leaders were Madan Mohan Malviya, Surendranath Banerjee, Dadabhai Naoroji, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Next, question number 3. Name the paper edited by Surendranath Banerjee. The answer is The Bengali. Question 4. Who set up the East India Association? The answer is Dadabhai Naoroji in 1866 in London. Question 5th. Name the organization founded by Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Open page number 101 to mark this answer. Open page number 101, left hand side, second para, Servants of Indian Society. Gokhale set up the Servants of Indian Society in 1905. This is your answer number 5. Or you can write Servants of Indian Society. आप इतना भी लिखोगे तो चलेगा. Question 6. Mention any 2 constitutional reforms asked by the early congressmen. Open page number 97. Page number 97, right hand side, second topic, demands of the early nationalist. Under this top point, constitutional reforms. I have marked answer 6, first point, 6th point till council. Question 7. Who was called the Indian Burke? The answer is Surendranath Banerjee. Next, question 8. Which book contains Dadabhai Naoroji's drain theory? Open page number 100. Page number 100. His famous drain theory contained in his book Poverty and Un-British Rule in India. Poverty and Un-British Rule in India नाम की बुक है. इस बुक के अंदर ड्रेन थ्योरी के बारे में दादाभाई नारोजी ने बताया है. क्वेश्चन 9. हु एंड व्हाई इज कॉल्ड द पॉलिटिकल गुरु ऑफ गांधी जी? ओपन पेज नंबर 100. आंसर 9 ऑन पेज नंबर 100, राइट हैंड साइड, अंडर द हेडिंग गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले. मार्क आंसर 9 विच आई हैव मार्क्ड. गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले इज कॉल्ड द पॉलिटिकल गुरु ऑफ गांधी because then mark from here, he believed that constitutional method of agitation was the only way to secure constitutional reform. This is your answer number 9. Question 10. Who ridiculed Congress as a body of microscopic minority? किसने कांग्रेस को body of microscopic minority बोला है? Open page number 99. Page number 99, last line of this page, see above the heading prominent early nationalist. Okay, right hand side, last line, official attitude, under the heading official attitude, last second line, Lord Dufferin ridiculed the Congress by calling it a body of microscopic minority. This is your answer 10. Question 11. Who convened the Indian National Conference and when? The answer is Surendranath Banerjee convened the Indian National Conference in 1883. Next question, who edited Rast Guftar? Name a magazine started by him. Open page number 100 to mark answer 12. Page number 100, left hand side, last para, answer 12. Dadabhai edited Rast Guftar and started the magazine Dharma Margdarshak. Till here, Margdarshak. Question 13. Mention any 2 social evils opposed by Gokhale. The answer is child marriage and sati system. Next question 14. Mention any 2 ways in which early nationalists tried to safeguard over civil liberties. Mark answer on page number 98. Open page number 98, left hand side, under the heading safeguarding of the civil liberties, first and second point till associations. This is your answer number 14. Next question number 15. Mention any 2 weaknesses of the early nationalist. Open page 99. Answer 15 is on page number 99. I have marked here. They lacked political faith in the masses, and the second, they failed to realize that Indian interest clashed with the British. Okay. Next, question number 16. Who is known as the father of Indian nationalism? The answer is Surendranath Banerjee. Next question 17. Name the best known book of Surendranath Banerjee. सबसे बेस्ट बुक बताइए सुरेंद्रनाथ बैनर्जी की कौन सी है? ओपन पेज नंबर 102. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, पेज नंबर 102, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, फर्स्ट पैरा, लास्ट लाइन. Here it is written, best known book is A Nation in Making. This is your answer 17. Question 18. Mention one friendly gesture of the Viceroy towards the Congress. Open page 99. In page 99, right hand side, first para, under the heading Official Attitude of British Government towards the Congress. Here, second line, the Lord Viceroy Lord Dufferin from here till Congress. ठीक है, ये फ्रेंडली रिलेशन जब लॉर्ड डफरिन का कांग्रेस के साथ था. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. व्हाई वाज द ईस्ट इंडिया एसोसिएशन फाउंडेड? ऑन पेज नंबर 90 you will find the answer. Open it. Yes, lesson 2, page number 90, left hand side, second para, East India Association. It was founded by Dadabhai Naoroji in 1866 in London. Its main aim was to provide information regarding till cotton duties. Till here. This is your answer number 19 of lesson 3. Mention the 3 P's. The answer is prayer, please and petition. ये 3 P's फॉलो कर रहे थे कांग्रेसमैन. ओके, तो वही पूछा है. 21. Name the journal edited by Gokhale. Answer is on page number 100. Open page 100. Open page number 100. Right hand side. Second para, under the heading Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Last 5th line, 4th line. He edited. Cut he, write Gokhale edited. Gokhale edited Sudharak, the quarterly journal of the Pune Sarvajanik Sabha. This is your answer 21. Now, structured question. In the context of the program of the early nationalists, explain their following demands: constitutional reforms, administrative reforms, economic reforms. All 3 is on page number 97. Open page number 97. Open page number 97. Right hand side, demands of the early nationalists. First is constitutional reforms, full, till Australia. And the second, administrative reform, answer 1B, full, till India. And then turn the page for answer 1C. Page number 98 for answer 1C, socio-economic reforms, till Zamindars. This is your answer 1C. Next question 2. Why were the early congressmen described as men with moderate views? The early congressmen described as men with moderate views because, open page 97, page number 97, right hand side, third para, thirdly, their methods, from their methods till opinion, till here. This is your answer 2A. उनके मेथड्स जो थे स्ट्रगल के, जो रिफॉर्म्स के मेथड्स थे, जो रिक्वेस्ट के मेथड्स थे, वो क्वाइट थे, पोलाइट थे, मॉडरेट थे और बहुत शांति से वो अपना काम कर रहे थे. कोई आर्ग्यूमेंट्स, कोई वायलेंस नहीं हो रहा था, प्रेयर पेटिशन के थ्रू हो रहा था, तो इसीलिए उनको मॉडरेट व्यूज के हिसाब से बोला जाता है. क्वेश्चन 2B. व्हाट वाज द ऑफिशियल एटीट्यूड टूवर्ड्स द अर्ली कांग्रेसमैन? एंड देन थर्ड, क्वेश्चन 2C. मेंशन द वीकनेस एंड अचीवमेंट्स ऑफ द अर्ली कांग्रेसमैन. Both the answer is on page number 99. Open page 99. Page number 99, right hand side, under the heading Official Attitude of British Government towards the Congress. Initially, from initially till distrust, till here. This is your answer 2B. Next 2C. Same page 2C. Last para, under the heading Achievements of the Early Congressmen, left hand side. You can see I have marked these 4 points. Early nationalist, from here till widowhood. Okay, till here. 4 points I have taken. Next, question 3. With reference to the era of the early congressmen, explain A. Their beliefs, B. Their methods, and C. Explain the Drone theory put forward by the grand old man of India. First two answers is on page number 98. Open page 98. Answer 3A is on page number 98. Left hand side. Belief and methods of the early nationalist. Bottom में आप लोग देखिए, bottom of this page. Their beliefs from here till connection, till British connection. This is your answer 3A. And then 3B, their methods. Mark their methods till political questions, till here. This is your answer 3B. Answer 3C is on page number 99. 3C जहाँ पे हमने 2C मार्क किया है, वहीं पे मैंने 3C मार्क किया है. Early nationalists like Dada Bhai Naroji exposed the cruel exploitative character of the British rule and explained how Indian wealth had been drained to England in his famous book. You need to write this line. In his famous book, apostrophe open, Drain Theory. Then continue on page number 100. Come to page number 100. Number 100, left hand side, last para, last third line. I have marked here. He explained in various ways in which Indian resources had been drained by the British, like right hand side, first, second, third, fourth, fifth point full till working in India. This is your answer 3C, children. First part is on page number 99 and second part is on page number 100. Now question 4A, identify the person whose ideologies influenced him. ये जो आपको फोटो दिख रही है, इस तरीके का क्वेश्चन बोर्ड्स में आता है. दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये कौन है? आइडेंटिफाई दिस पर्सन. द आंसर इज गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले. एंड हुज आइडियोलॉजीज इन्फ्लुएंस्ड हिम. ये किससे प्रेरित हैं? ये किसकी थिंकिंग को फॉलो करते हैं? गांधी जी. आफ्टर ऑल ही इज अ पॉलिटिकल गुरु ऑफ गांधी जी. सेकेंड, हाउ डू यू नो दैट ही हैड फेथ इन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मूवमेंट? ओपन पेज नंबर 100. Page number 100, right hand side, last para, faith in constitutional movement. Mr. Gokhale had faith from here. Then the next page, till from the executive, till here, 4B. I have made the bracket. And then 4C, economic ideas of Gokhale, full para, till middle class. This is your answer 4C. Next question 5. In the context of the contributions of the three prominent early congressmen, explain the contributions of Dada Bhai Naroji, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Surendra Nath Banerjee. इन तीनों का contribution आपको बताना है, which is given on page number 102. We will remember दादा भाई नारोजी की contributions हैं, गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले and सुरेंद्र नाथ बैनर्जी. ठीक है, ये तीनों आपको पॉइंट्स में लिखना है. ओके, 3 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चंस हैं, 3 मार्क्स ईच. ओके, तो कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशंस आपको सेंटेंस फॉर्म में इन पॉइंट्स यू विल डिस्क्राइब इन योर आंसर. देन क्वेश्चन 6, आइडेंटिफाई द पर्सन. ही इज सुरेंद्र नाथ बैनर्जी. नेम द एसोसिएशन फाउंडेड बाय हिम. He founded Indian Association in 1876. Then question 6B, give a brief description of his political career. C, what role did he play in the anti-partition movement? Both the answer is on page number 102. Open page 102. Number 102, left hand side, top पे देखिए political career. Full para is your answer 6B. And then 6C, his role in anti-partition agitation till boycott foreign goods. This is your answer 6C. Okay, children. Now I want you all to write all the question answers on your history notebook and learn them.